morning, Flomaton High School. This is Marissa Laurie with a few words of wisdom. When we are in kindergarten, one of the first things we learn is to share our toys and crayons. Learning to share is one of our first lessons in learning how to be a friend. Pythagoras, a great Greek philosopher and mathematician, says, "Friends share all things." As we get older, friendship means more than sharing things like toys and paints. It means sharing the good times and the bad. It means sharing our feelings, our fears, our dreams. Listen to the words of this proverb. Show me a friend who will weep with me, who will laugh with me, and I can find myself. Sharing our thoughts and feelings with a close friend can actually help us understand ourselves better, whether that friend is a peer or a parent or a counselor. Today, share one of your fears or one of your dreams with a trusted friend. You might just discover something about yourself. With something to think about, this is Marissa Laurie. Make it a great day, or not. The choice is yours. Good luck to the middle school teams as they host McCall this afternoon at 4 p.m. Don't forget about the Miss FHS pageant Thursday night at 6 o'clock.